In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Anaconda Python in Windows 11 or 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. All you want to do firstly is go to your browser of choice and then just type in Anaconda download like so. And then what you want to go ahead and do is go to anaconda.com. It's going to look like this. You want to make sure it's on this website and not a different third-party one. But on the top right, you're going to see free download. So go ahead and click on that right there. And then all you want to do is to get Anaconda and download it, you're going to have to either sign in or sign up. So we'll just quickly sign up. You can also use Google, Microsoft, or GitHub to sign up as well. Now, once you've signed in, it's going to show welcome to Anaconda. It says choose your download. So you can do it on Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. And all you want to do is go ahead to the Anaconda distribution and download the Windows 64-bit graphical installer like so. And then you just gotta wait for it to install. Now, all you gotta do is once the exe file is installed, like it is right now, I'm just gonna have to go ahead and run it. Now, once the exe file is done, all I wanna go ahead and do is press the exe file like so and just run the installer. It's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out other videos on the channel as well. And yeah, so after you press I agree, that's it. It's all done and downloaded.